Hi my country pipo, how una dey? Na newspaper review tori I bring una from Naija and all over the world. My name na Omogbemisola. Wonder dey say shall never end. EFCC chairman Ola Olukoyede don narrate to journalists inside their office headquarters for Jabi, Abuja, how 17-year-old boy successfully hack im personal computer and bank account as dem dey interrogate am for EFCC Lagos office. Olukoyede explain how e take invite the 17-year-old boy for questioning for im own office as e open mouth dey watch how dis shikini man enter back door to open im computer for im korokoro eyes. EFCC chairman explain say im go bring dis 17-year-old boy wey dey 200 level dey study history and anthropology. Upon say the guy no do anything wey relate to science, the guy sit down for im office for Lagos and demonstrate some things to am for im laptop. E say the guy ask for im number, e give am only the number, and from there e provide BVN, e provide bank account number upon say e no tell am anything. Olukoyede come talk say country must take step to discourage dis young boys because dis kind thing fit take dem to prison or get bad consequence. EFCC chairman explain say im see crime for wetin e do, at the same time im see opportunity. So if dem leave dis guy, im no go know wetin im do. Im go think say na better things im dey do to make money. E say because e still dey young, their punishment no go plenty and take step to help am change im life for better. E say wetin im go gain if e send 17-year-old boy go jail. Person don destroy im future and career be dat. Dis boy with confidence tell Olukoyede say im fit make 10 million naira now. E go just transfer am from one account to another inside one single transaction. E even tell Olukoyede say, see oga, I fit move 10 million naira from your account now to my own account. Olukoyede say dis boy open im laptop upon say e no give am the key. When e ask am how e take know about cybercrime, the boy explain say im papa and mama na farmer, but security wahala no gree dem go farm again. E get two younger ones wey dey GSS 2 and SS 3. Na im dey feed the parents, dey pay younger ones school fees. Dat moment Olukoyede say im see Bill Gates inside the guy. E come assure the guy say im go dey pay im school fees if e promise say im no go do crime again. Dis further tori dey inside Punch newspaper. The family of Tory don enter bad mood after dem shoot and die inside NNPC filling station for Obalende, Ikoyi, Lagos. Information gather say dis incident happen yesterday night. Dem say Eniasha dey for queue, e wan buy fuel. Na suddenly two men wey dem suspect say be army officer drive come inside the filling station to buy fuel upon say dem no dey queue. But people wey don already dey queue no gree make dem buy fuel because dem don stay too long for queue. People wey dey there confirm say na Eniasha voice come out pass as e insist say those men must join queue like other people dem. Na dis one come cause big kasala wey make one of the men shoot Eniasha before e comot from the scene. One of the people wey witness dis kasala talk say dis men be from DSS because e show inside the polo wey dem wear. E say e first slap Tohib. As Tohib start to dey abuse dem, na im e comot im gun shoot Tohib. Dis further tori dey inside Punch newspaper. Police don arrest the person wey dey behind the killing of Abuja to Kaduna train. Dis incident happen for March 2022. Dem identify im name as Ibrahim Abdullahi. Dem dey also call am Monica of Mandi. Na tok police for Kaduna, Olumuyiwa Adejobi talk dis one come outside today. E tell journalists say dis suspect also follow dem kidnap students from Greenfield University for 2021. Police say dem seize 48 AK-47 when dem go arrest Mandi, and effort dey to identify im sponsor and person wey dey supply am weapon. Dis further tori dey inside Daily Post newspaper. One housewife, Khadijat Mustapha, don tell Upper Area Court for Kubwa, Abuja, make dem dissolve im 24-year-old marriage wit her husband Mahmuda Adamu sake of say love and affection no dey again. Khadijat tell court say she marry Adamu according to Islamic laws for year 2000 and God bless dem wit 5 children. She say na everytime her husband dey call am ashawo, dey threa ten her life everytime and even beat her on top small vex. She say her husband no dey pray like Muslim dey pray. Love no dey between dem again, make court dissolve their marriage. But the husband say im still love the wife but make dem give am time to settle with im wife. The judge Mohammed Wakili con adjourn the matter till May 6 make the couple settle the fight wey dey between dem and report back to court. Dis further tori dey inside Daily Post newspaper. Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC) and celebrity barman Pascal Okechukwu, wey everybody know as Cubana chief priest, don agree say make dem settle the matter of naira abuse wey EFCC take sue Cubana chief priest out of court. Na today dem tok dis one wen dem resume hearing for Federal High Court, Lagos. Make una no forget say na April 17 court grant Cubana chief priest 10 million naira bail wit 2 surety for the same amount wen e beg say im no dey guilty to the charge wey EFCC take sue am. EFCC arraign am before Justice Kehinde Ogundare on top 3-count charge wey border on naira abuse, spraying and tampering with local currency inside owambe, and dis one dey against the rule of CBN Act for 2007. So after plenty talk for court, Justice Ogundare adjourn the case to June 5 for report of the settlement. Dis further tori dey inside Leadership newspaper. If una gbadun dis tori, make una help me subscribe, like, share and comment so dat we go dey notify una as other tori dey shele.